OMEX stock analysis and OMEX stock prediction. This brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be showing you is my exact play and everything. And with Odyssey Marine Exploration stock, bro, such a great pump. Not even saying this in a way just to say, you know, like it's actually very good. I mean, this was like what I was expecting back in May. And I mean, it finally started happening here. I missed out this whole movement, but that's totally fine. Because I called out the previous one, which it gapped up the next day. Here's the proof. You might think I'm lying too, but here's the literal proof. The day before and then the day after it just bumped. Now, needless to say, since the market is pumping, I'm looking to just straight up double down, meaning buy more. So this is my demand zone. And if I do not see this actually pulling down and giving me that shift, there's no way I'm gonna look to take things further up. Very that simple. There you go. If you do want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free mail. So I'll see you in the next one.